5 Best Gearshift Knob. Here is the product number 5. 1 PC Universal Manual Car Gear Shifter Shift. Black leather with black stitch. Come with 3 hoses, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm. Directly replace of original shift knob, no modification needed. Universal fits for most vehicles. Material: aluminum and black leather with black stitch. Shift knob hole: 8mm, 10mm, 12mm. Here is the product number 4. CNWAGNER 5-speed 6-speed genuine leather. Brand name: CNWAGNER. Item type: Gearshift knob. Item length: 5 cm. Item height: 8 cm. Material type: genuine leather. External testing certification: ISO 9001. Item width: 4.5 cm. Item weight: 0.2 kg. Cap: 5-speed and 6-speed. Here is the product number 3. Gearshift knob 6-speed for Citroen. Brand name: Leroy. Item type: Gearshift knob. Item length: 8 inch. Special features: car shift gear knob speed gear stick. Item width: 8 inch. Item height: 8 inch. Model name: 2403 V1, 2403 V1, 2403 V2, 2403 V2. Here is the product number 2. Auto 5 gears lever for Peugeot 307-106 Citroen. 5-speed gearshift knob. Non-fading and durable. Easy installation without modification. Remove your old shifting knob from shaft. For some cars, the knob is adhered to the shift lever and cannot be removed. Please check prior to purchase. Take the screw adapter and attach to the shifter shaft. Place the gear knob directly over adapter and screw until tight. Here is the product number 1. Gearshift knob for Citroen. Brand name: CNWAGNER. Item type: gearshift knob. Model name: gear knob. Product: gear knob. Color: black. Generic product without logo. There is no stem connection supplied with this product. Contains no record. 1X shift knob shifter for Citroen GTI Saxo C2 C3 C4s Sa Picasso Berlingo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.